Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Davis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a restaurant website. So this is the website that we are going to create. So the website will have this amazing logo here and a favicon here. We also learn how to create this amazing menu here with a call to action here. We also learn how to edit these images, the one that you are seeing here, the background, and also the text that you are seeing here, and customize it to fit your taste. Then we are going to learn how to change these images, the text, how to add all these, the companies that we'll be working with. We also learn how to add this menu here. You also learn how to add this section here, and also this section about what people say about your restaurant. And then we are going to learn how to change this copyright text here to suit your website. Now your website will have all these pages: the menu page, the about us page, and the contact us page. And once your users click, they will be taken to that page where they can be able to see the menu and about you, your company. They can also contact you by clicking on contact us. I will show you how to create these websites step by step without skipping any step. The best part about creating this website is that there will be no programming or coding skills that will be needed. And we'll also create this website using free themes, free plugins, and a free content management system, that is WordPress. The website design will be responsive. That means that users will be able to use it well in PCs, in tablets, and also in phone gadgets. I'll be sure to leave a timestamp in the video description where you can click to visit the section that you want to redo or maybe to start with. In order to create this type of website, in fact, in order to create any type of website, you will need two things, that is a domain and hosting. A domain name is the name of your website. For example, Amazon.com, Facebook.com, Google.com, and many more. Domains can have different extensions like .com, .org, .net, and many more. They can also reflect the country you are in. For example, .in for India, .uk for United Kingdom. Now, .com is the most famous and commonly used extension. Hosting is a place where your website files are stored. They can be videos, images, or any other content. When you buy hosting, you basically rent some space on a physical server where you can store all your files and data necessary for your website to work properly, so that your content can be accessible over the internet very well. To get domain and hosting, below this video, click on the first link that says get domain and hosting here. Now you're going to land on this particular page where you're going to get our hosting. Hosting is the most important thing in your website because everything is directly tied to your hosting. For example, your website performance, your website speed, your website security, a good user experience, and even your website ranking. So selecting a reliable hosting company is crucial for an amazing user experience, amazing security that will make your website almost impossible to attack and hack. And most importantly, you will get a better ranking in Google, Bing, and other search engine results. There are thousands of hosting companies or hosting providers. In my 10 years of creating WordPress websites, I have interacted with many, but a few are worth consideration. Now, we'll be using Hostinger, a company I found to be really good and affordable for hosting with some of the best deals. Now, you can really see we have a very good rating from different places like Trustpilot, Google, and others. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the 3 plans available. You can choose any based on your budget. But before you do that, let me highlight some of the features you'll be getting. Now we have 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Now we are going to choose the most popular, which is the Business plan. And you can see we are getting it at $14, but it's now at $4. We have around 2 months that are free. Now if we scroll down, we are going to see that we have an increased performance by 5 times. We can host around 100 websites. That means that today you are creating a blog, tomorrow you are creating an online shop. The more websites you are creating, you can create up to around 100 websites. We have 200 GB NVMe storage. This is not your local HDD or SSD storage. It's a very powerful and one of the latest storage technology. Now we have daily backups. We have unlimited free SSL. Now an SSL is the padlock that you see on a website like this. So every website should be having this. If it doesn't have this, then it will show that the connection is not secure and it will display it in red. So people will not be able to visit your website. Most of the hosting providers sell that, and you can see that we are getting here at free. We have unlimited bandwidth. We have free email. Now, a free professional email is not like the one that you are used to. For example, davis@gmail.com. This is an email that is associated with your website. For example, info@davis.com or info@amazon.com or support@amazon.com. Those are professional emails and you'll be getting them for free. Now you also have a free domain. So you are getting hosting and a free domain for a whole year. You're also getting a free CDN and a lot of goodies that will be coming with the managed WordPress. Now we have so many features here, but those are some of the highlights that I thought you should know. Now click on add to cart. Now again, you will be taken now here where you can choose the plan that you want. We have a 1-year plan here. We have a 2-year plan here and a 4-year plan. Please don't go with 1 month because it will be very expensive unless you just want to test it. So go with a plan, a higher plan for maybe 24 months or 48 months. As you can see, you are getting, this is the $14 that you are supposed to be paying, but you are getting it at $4, or let's call it just $5. And when you renew, you're going to get it at $13 here. You can see here. So if you go for a plan for 2 years, you're going to get it at the same $5, but you're going to renew it at $10. So if you go for this plan, which is selected by default, you're going to get the 2 months free. Then you're going to get it for 4 years, and you're going to get it to the least amount, which is $4. And you're also going to renew your plan at a very affordable rate, which is $8.99, which is around $9. So now based also on your budget, so you can select any of the plans. I will select this one. Now scroll down, you'll be able now to check out. So this hosting company supports so many different types of checkout. You can pay with PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and this other one, I'm not sure about it. Then you can also use your card here, so your credit card. So I'm going to use my credit card, and now you can be able to see on your billing here that you are going to pay around $671. Now you are paying at $191.52. You have 2 extra months, you have free domain, and you have WHOIS privacy protection, and you don't have a setup fee. So you're going to now fill these details. To pay, you're going to add your card details right here. Then I'm going to click on Submit Secure Payment. So after paying, you're going to be redirected to your control panel. Now from here, you can be able now to choose what you want. You can say if you are creating for yourself, it's just a survey. You can skip it, but again, you can also answer it for Hostinger to be able to better understand what you need. So I'm creating it for myself. Is it your first time creating a website? So depending on your needs here, so yes. Next. What type of website do you want to build? So you can select now based on what you want. Maybe an online store, maybe a blog, depending on what you want. So you're going to select WordPress with AI, then select WordPress. So now here, you're going to create the login details that you will be using on your WordPress website. So make sure that you record or you don't forget the details that you're going to use here. Select next. So we're going to select on standard themes. Then next. Then we don't want to take any of the themes here. We want to skip this. We also don't want them to recommend us the plugins that we are going to use. So we are going to say no. Then we are going to click next. So let us skip this, and now here we can be able to fill the name or the domain name that we want. So you can think of a domain name that we'll be using for your particular website. Now you can put it here. So mine will be, let me use my personal name. So you can choose the extension. For me, I want a .com. You can choose a .online, .net, things like that. For me, I want to have a .com, and you can see it's free. So I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to put these details so that I can finish taking the name davisene.com. So I'm going to click on next step and fill the details that they want. So it's going to take you to this particular place where you can select the data center that is nearest to you so that your website can even be faster, but it's selected normally automatically. So you can change here or you can let it be. Click on next. So your WordPress is going to be installed. Now you can be able now to see that you have been redirected to your cPanel. Now click on admin panel, and now you're going to be redirected to your WordPress website. As you can see, you can also access your WordPress website by typing your domain name /wp admin. You can see you will be redirected now to your dashboard. So we are going first to clean up our dashboard and also configure some settings. As you can see, our dashboard is not really clean. We want to clean up this mess. So first, click on screen options, then untick everything here. Now you can see that the dashboard is now clean. Now go to plugins, then click on install plugins. So we are going to delete all these plugins because we are not going to use them. They came pre-installed. So just click on here and then choose on delete and then apply. Similarly, we are going to delete all the themes that we have now. So go to appearance, then click on themes. Now you can see we have two themes right now, so we don't need this other one. So just click on it and delete it. Similarly, you can click on all other themes that we'll be having and delete them, just the way I have deleted that one. So by default, we have this one as the theme currently. It's called 2024. So if I go to my site here and I click on visit site and open it on a new tab, I can be able to see that this is the theme now. So a theme defines how your website will be looking, or how your website looks. Now let's go to our settings. Click on settings, and then we have some general settings here. So we have your site title. So you can have here the title of your restaurant. Maybe that's the name of our restaurant. We also need to have our tagline here. So my tagline is where every bite tells a story. So come up with something amazing. So we are not going to choose our site icon here. I'm going to show you how we are going to add our icon later on. So just click on anyone can register and then choose your time zone here. And then click on save changes. Then go again to settings, then permalinks. And now we are going to choose post name. This is the most SEO friendly link structure. So make sure that it's on post name, and then you can save the changes. And with that, you're done with your settings. So you are ready to install now your themes and plugins. To get the themes and plugins, below this video, click on the second link that says get theme here. Now you will land on this page. Now we are going to get our themes and plugins from this particular website. It's called Astra. So Astra is going to help us install a pre-made website so that we can only edit it, so that we can save a lot of time. So we have so many themes here, and you can see we have different types of websites here and the themes that are associated with that. So you can just go through them. Some of them are free and some of them are premium, now depending on what you are building. So for today, we are building a restaurant website. So just come here, hover over the business and services, because restaurant is a service, and then you can go and click on restaurant. And now you'll be able to see all the themes that are for restaurant. They have already been made. So you can just look at them, and some of them are premium, as you can see, but some of them are free. So we are going to use a free one, but you can also purchase a paid one. So we are going to use this. So first we can live preview. So we are live previewing right now so that we can be able to see how our site will be looking. So without coding, without programming, we'll have a similar website like this. So let us now import this website to our own website. So I'm going to click here, and then we are going to download this theme. So click on download app here. Scroll down, and then you'll be able to see here, download free Astra theme. So you can click on Astra free versus pro to be able to know the differences between the free one and the pro ones. But for now, let us just click on download free Astra theme. Then you can put your first name and your email. Hit subscribe and download. So you'll see your theme being downloaded here. I had downloaded it 47 minutes ago. but still that's how it's downloaded. We can now head to our dashboard and install the theme that we have just downloaded. So go to your dashboard so that we can be able to install the theme that we have just downloaded. Hover over appearance, then click on themes. So click on add new theme, then click on upload theme. Then we are going to choose a file. So the file that we have just downloaded, choose file, and then choose the file that we have downloaded and open it, and then click on install now. Then click on activate, and now you'll be able to see this. Let's get started with starter templates. So click on that, then click on build with templates. Now we are going to choose the template that we had seen. So click on businesses, then hover over businesses, then click on restaurant. So we said we have free ones and paid ones. So we are going to use a free one. So these are paid, as you can see, premium, but this one and this one are free. So click on this one. Now make sure that it's the one that we have chosen here. So click on continue. Now we don't need anything here, so just click on skip this step. Then you can put your name, your email, so your name. Then you can choose that you are a beginner or an intermediate, or depending on what you are, maybe you are a beginner, and then you are building it for yourself or your client, so maybe yourself. And then you can click on submit and build my website and see the magic. And so your website is ready in just 26 seconds. So our website was looking like this, and now after installing the template, we can now click on view your website. And wow, look at our website. It just looks amazing. So you can see everything has been imported. We have the pictures, the images, everything has been imported here. We have also all the pages, about us page. We have our menu. And we have our contact us page. And now we can book our reservation from here. So you can make this one to be when you click, it goes to your contact so that people can make a reservation. So now we are going to go to our home page. And now we are going to start by now editing, changing these words and the images. So I'm going to show you how to change these words or to change this content and the images that you are seeing here to fit your restaurant. Now, to change the content of this website and replace it with your content, go to pages, then all pages. I will be able to see all the pages that will be available for your website. For example, you have about us page, contact us page, home page, and these other pages. Now, you don't need this page called sample page, so you can just select it like that and just trash it. And then you want to edit these pages. You'll be editing them the same way I'll edit this one. So let us start with the home page. So highlight the home page here and just right click and open it in a new tab. And so you can be able to see that we have our home page here, and we can be able to change and replace any image that you are seeing here. So if you want to change this heading here, steaks and barbecue, just click on it and you can now change. So just change by deleting this and maybe add something like pizza. Then you can change up here, maybe in New York. Then you can change this content here by just clicking on it and changing. Just delete this and add your content. Now you can be able to change also these buttons here. So you can, if you want maybe to your users, when they click explore more, they maybe be taken to your contact page or your menu page. Just click on explore more, and then on the right side you'll be able to see these three tabs: general, style and advanced. Now under general, click on content, and now under content you'll be able to see link. So you can link this one to the page that you want. So delete the hash and then go back to your pages. Maybe you want to link this to menu, so just click, just highlight on view and then right click, copy link address, and then you can come and paste the link here. So that is the link for your menu. And then every time you make a change, please click on update so that you don't lose your changes. Now if you want to change the background image or any image, just click on the image. On your right side you'll be able to see these three buttons here. So every image is changed on style, so click on style, and then you'll be able to see this image and you can change the image to your liking. So just click on change image. Then you can change from media if you have some here, but if you want to upload a new one, just click on upload, select a file, and now you can select your image and then open. The image will be uploaded, select it, and you can see it will be replaced. So similarly you can change everything like that, just the same way I've done for everything here and all the pages. So once you are done, click on update. So when you click on view page, then open it on a new tab, you can be able to see that your section has been changed. So you have a new picture, you have changed these words, and when we click on explore menu, you can just click on it and it will take you to menu, just like that. So similarly you can edit any page like that. Now I'm going to show you how to edit this menu here. So maybe you want home and then menu and then about us, or maybe you don't want maybe to show contact us, though everything here is important. I'll show you how to delete and maybe rearrange this. So if you want to change this, go to your dashboard, hover over appearance, then you'll be able to see menus. Click on menus. Now you'll be able to see all the menus here. So if you want to start with home, then menu, you can just drag the menu up here, just like that, and then you can save the changes. So if I come here and I refresh, you'll be able to see that it's home, then menu, then about us. So you can also delete some of the pages. For example, you don't want the about us, just click here and then you can click on remove. But for now, I'm not going to remove because I feel like it's an important page. You can similarly add other pages. So if you create another page and you want it to be seen here, you can create the page, then you can come and click on view all. You'll be able to see that extra page that you have created here, and then you can add it to your menu and it will be added right here. Then when you're done, click on save menu and it will be saved here. So finally, we are going to customize our website. That is, we are going to change our logo and we are going to change our favicon. So a favicon is what you see on the browser. For example, for Gmail it's this, for YouTube it's this, and we are going to change this and maybe link it to our maybe contact page so that we can have a reservation. We're also going to change our footer, the copyright text here, and powered by our website, which has already been changed. This will be changed by default, but if you want to have something else, we can also have it here. So to customize our website, click on customize. And now when you hover over the logo, you'll be able to see this pencil icon. Also going to see this pencil icon when I hover over reservation, so we can be able to change this. Alternatively, here you can be able to see we have a menu here that has just come when we have clicked on customize. So you can start with your site identity here, which is now will cover this. So just click on site identity. And now you can be able to change your site icon. So the site icon is that favicon. So click on site icon. And now you can upload your favicon here. So upload. Let me upload my logo and favicon. So this is my favicon. So I'm going to select it. And you can see it has changed here. You can see the browser has this favicon here. So crop it. And then we'll be able to see it up here and it has changed. Now we want to change our logo. So you can click here or you can go back to site identity and then you can click on site title and logo settings. So you'll be able to see that we have our logo here and we can now change it. So click on remove or change logo. So let us just change logo. And now we can put the logo that we have just uploaded. And then we can crop it. And just like that, we have changed our logo. Can also change this one. So remove again and change the same way. So just click on change image and then you can have it again. So your site title is okay and your tagline it's okay. We had changed that earlier when we were doing our dashboard cleanup and settings. So when you're done, just go back. And now you want to change this reservation. Just click on the pencil just to show you that you can be able to do that from here. And then you can link this reservation to another page. So just delete the hashtag and put the link of the page that you want people to be taken to. For example, a contact page will be a great one. So let me go to pages and then grab that link. So view. So I want just to right click and copy the link address. And then I can put it here. So when people click on reservation or maybe reserve or call us, you can change this one to call us or talk to us today, something like that. I'm just showing you that you can be able to do that, and then you can go back and then make sure that you publish. So every time you change, make sure that you publish, because your changes will not be able to reflect. So we have been able to change this and our logo and our favicon. Now we can come here and change the footer. So if you want to change the footer again, you're going just to click on the footer here. So just click on it, the pencil, and you're going to see this copyright text. So you can delete credits and leave it as it is. And then if you want to change powered by, just click on this pencil and it will by default take your website name. So powered by your website. So you don't have to change anything there. So when you're done, make sure that it is published, as you can see here. So now if we go and visit our website, let us just visit our website on a new tab. We can be able to see that our logo has been changed. We have our nice menu here that has been rearranged. We have our talk to us button here, and when we click on talk to us, it takes us to our contact page. And when we come back to here, we can see that our copyright text has been changed and it is powered by our website, just like that. So you can go back to our home menu and you can see that everything here works perfectly. And just like that, you have been able to create your restaurant website step by step. So if this video has been valuable, it has taken me a lot of time to create this and also to buy domain and hosting. So I'll really appreciate if you will hit a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So thank you and see you on the next one.